DEIS action planning. The why of DEIS action planning. One of the 5 goals of the DEIS Plan 2017 is to improve the learning outcomes and experiences of pupils in DEIS schools. To achieve this, the DEIS action planning process empowers schools to meet the needs of the most at-risk students through effective target and action setting within 8 key themes. Highly effective teaching and learning, a core aspect of DEIS action planning, can have a transformative impact of the lives of at-risk students and contribute to breaking the cycle of disadvantage. Core principles of DEIS. Equality of educational opportunity for those who come to education at a disadvantage. Teaching and learning is the core activity for all schools, and teaching and learning actions should be evident across the 8 themes of DEIS. The process of planning for DEIS should be inclusive, reflective, and a collaborative whole school process. Improving the learning experience and outcomes for at-risk students. DEIS themes: literacy, numeracy, attendance, supporting educational transitions, partnership with parents, partnership with others, retention, and attainment. CPD, leadership, and well-being are integrated into the DEIS themes. The SSE 6-step process as an effective planning tool. So the first step of the 6-step process is to identify focus. The second step is to gather evidence. The third step is to analyze and make judgments. The fourth step is to write and share report and improvement plan. The 5th step is to put improvement plan into action. And the 6th step is to monitor actions and evaluate impact. Looking at DEIS action planning for improvement through the lens of the SSE 6-step process. Step 1, identifying the focus. So this is our first step of this SSE 6-step process. Key questions to consider. What do we want to improve? Why do we want to improve this? And how can this be achieved? Step 2, gather evidence. So this is step 2 of our 6-step process. Do not collect too much data. Be concise and focused. Carefully consider what information you need. What data do you already have? Consider the integrated nature of the themes and related issues, for example, if attendance, also lates, partial days, retention risk, etc. Be clear about who you will need to get information from, how many, representation, types of data, etc. Who has the skills to gather, collate, analyze the data? Step 2, data gathering and identifying at-risk cohorts. What data sources do you most commonly use when considering your focus area or theme? What data do you use to identify at-risk groups? How do you capture the student voice? Step 2, quantitative data sources. State examination results, attendance data, standardized testing results, classroom-based assessment results, retention data, surveys. Quantitative data can be measured and given a numerical value. Step 2, qualitative data sources. Interviews, focus groups, teacher reflections, surveys, teacher observations, case studies. Qualitative data provides insights on emotions and perceptions from key stakeholders, including students and parents. Step 2. Focus groups. A focus group is a specified cohort of students gathered to discuss their insights into a certain topic or issue. The outcomes of this qualitative data can assist with an impact on the setting of specific SMART targets: space, voice, audience, and influence. Step 2. The why of focus groups. Why use focus groups? Pre-prepared questions, deeper and more detailed answers, less time consuming than one-on-one interviews, get different perspectives. Considerations. Is it representative? How many people? 5, 6, 7, or 8? How do we explain the purpose of the focus group to the participants and gather their consent to participate? Carefully plan the discussion areas. How to record answers. Ensure all have an equal chance to speak.